What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to deal with a little bit of a problem that I've been having with my first gen Tacoma here. When I hit the brakes, my right rear brake is locking up a little bit, and then I struggle to accelerate out of a stop because my right rear brake continues to stay locked. So I'm thinking my problem is I need a new brake cylinder for my right rear. So here's what I picked up. New rear brake cylinders. I got 2 of them. This is the Advix brand from Rock Auto, and it's actually Aisin, which is the OEM Toyota manufacturer. You can see this is where the Toyota Tech logo was originally ground off. So if you go to Rock Auto and you're looking for brake cylinder, the Advix brand is Toyota OEM. Now for my particular truck, I believe the stock brake cylinder is the 1-inch brake cylinder. They didn't have that in stock, but they did have the 15/16. As long as you go with the same on both sides, that way you know you're going to get even braking power on both sides. And just so you guys know, these are not side specific, so you don't need a right and a left. You just need to get 2 of them, because on the passenger side they'll sit like this, and on the driver's side they'll spin around and sit like this. So pretty straightforward. Another thing I picked up was these speed bleeders. These are what I need for the front. I have the Tundra brake up right up front, so this is the size that I need. So I'm going to link this stuff in the description, and just keep that in mind. I do have a Tundra brake upgrade, so this might not necessarily be what you guys need to do speed bleeders on your truck. This is what I need to replace the bleeder on the rear brakes. This is a M10, while this one is an M7. There's a built-in check valve on these things, so essentially when you pump up your brakes, it pushes fluid and air out, but it doesn't allow anything to get back in, which makes bleeding your brakes a 1-person job instead of a 2-person job, which is pretty handy. So that's why I'm doing that mod today. All right, so we're gonna get started on this job. I'm gonna get the new brake cylinders in the soft jaws on my vise, and we're gonna get the speed bleeder installed. There we go, speed bleeders are on for the rear. Now we're gonna get the truck jacked up and get started on this job. going in with the new cylinder. Not sure if you guys can read this, but I was under the impression that the stock brake cylinder for my truck was a 1-inch. It's actually, if you can see, a 7/8. So if anything, I've only upped my brake power a little bit. All right, so unfortunately for me, my shed is really tiny and I have no room to get around my truck at the back and no room to get around my truck at the front. So I have to do this silly thing where I crawl under the truck to get around to the other side. And I gotta bring all my tools with me. So please like and subscribe to support the channel. And maybe one day I could build a bigger garage. And I can't forget you guys. So I think I got the rears bled out. Now I gotta get these fronts changed out to speed bleeders. we're just gonna zip this thing out for a quick test drive. Make sure these brakes are functioning properly again. My main issue was coming to a stop. My back right tire would lock up almost instantly, and coming out of a stop, normally your vehicle would start to move as soon as you let off the brake. Mine wouldn't. It would stay locked up until like I gave it enough gas to get the tire spinning, and then I would be able to accelerate normally. So I'm just gonna slow down to a stop, make sure I'm not locking up at all. That's perfect. And now I'm just gonna let off the brake here and see if I start moving. Yeah, instantly start moving. Tire's no longer locked at all. Alright guys, brakes are working great. Definitely the rear wheel cylinder was my problem. So glad I got that figured out. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you guys next time.